Finally today I want to talk to you about the prenatal developing period. It's going to be broken into 3 different stages or periods, each of varying length: the germinal, the embryonic, and the fetal. We'll talk about each of those very briefly, and then I'll point you towards a website I'd like you to visit. First, during the germinal stage, this includes everything beginning with the ovary releasing the single-celled egg into the fallopian tube, in which usually within about 24 hours that egg will be fertilized by another single-celled sperm that obviously comes from the male partner. Within 24 hours of that fertilization process, the sperm and the egg, both male and female chromosomal material, will unite, and then within about a day and a half, that mitosis will begin and the cell will start dividing, and by 36 hours we'll have 2 cells, and by 48 hours we'll have 4 cells, and so on and so forth, until towards the end of that first week, a blastocyst, which is a little cluster of cells, is formed and has traveled through the fallopian tube into the cavity of the uterus, and at about a week and a half to 2 weeks, that blastocyst will embed its way or invade its way into the uterine wall, becoming implanted there and setting itself up for the stages that come. The next stage is the embryonic period. During the embryonic period, which lasts from about 2 weeks to 8 weeks after conception, the cell differentiation is going to intensify. That means the splitting of cells is going to be rapid, and lots of change is going to be occurring. And the most important part of the embryonic period is the organogenesis, or the process of organ formation or organ beginning. And this all happens within that first 2 months of prenatal development. And then the final stage is the fetal period, which goes from about 2 months post-conception until birth, so about 9 months. So it's about a 7-month period. And here growth and development are going to continue to be dramatic and intense, and change is going to occur rapidly during this time. If you would like to get a better idea of what this looks like in that 9-month period, I've posted a link below this video to a website that I absolutely love called The Visible Embryo. You can go to this website and it will walk you through all 40 weeks of development and talk to you about the major things that are happening in the body, the major organs that are developing and when, the major milestones like fingerprints and toe prints and those types of things developing, and just kind of walk you through the whole prenatal period in each of these 3 stages and what you can expect to be happening developmentally there.